Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find your PayPal transaction history. This process is simple and can be done using the PayPal app on your phone or by visiting paypal.com in your browser. I will be using an iPhone for this tutorial, but the steps are the same on Android. First, open the PayPal app. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the Wallet option. After that, at the top of the screen, you will see an option called Activity. Tap on Activity. This section will show you all your PayPal transactions. You can see your purchases, refunds, money sent, and money received. Just scroll through the list to view your past activity. To make it easier to find specific transactions, you can use the Filter option. Tap the small filter icon. From here, you can filter by transaction type, date range, money in, money out, and more. You can also search for specific transactions using the search bar at the top. You can type a name, email address, or keyword. If you are looking for older transactions or want a more complete record, you can check your monthly statements. To do this, go back to the home screen by tapping Home at the bottom left. Then tap your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down and tap on Statements and Taxes. Under the Statements section, tap on All Transactions. Here you can download monthly statements for previous months and years. You will see statements for recent months. You can also view older statements from 2023, 2022, and earlier if your account has been active that long. At the top of this section, it mentions that you can access statements for the past 3 years. That is how you check your PayPal transaction history. Thanks for watching.